Spring Bunny from Five Nights at Freddy's. Similar animatronic to Bonnie, but different eyes. I know he's yellow, but like the eyes have this silver thing around them. Unusual. So let's go. I'm going to start with his nose, right? So yeah, it's just like a button sort of nose, like a. So we'll go up and over for this. Carve it up and over, kind of like an N sort of shape. And then it seems to come around back into there. And then he's just got like a round snout, so it just like goes down this way. Either side. Sometimes he has a line down the middle and then sometimes not. So I guess it depends on what version you're drawing. We'll go across the bottom. And I think I'll add the line in the middle. You don't have to though, because it is in the picture I'm drawn from. So then the eyes. So they're not like perfect circles. They're kind of like, they kind of slant in a little bit, right? So you've got like it going that way first, right? And the other side's pretty much the same. See, two like slanting. So you're like drawing the middle ridge first, and then the eyes go around from here. Like that, right? So see, they're not like perfect circles. They're kind of thin here, or like straighter here, and then curve around. If you want, you can do a circle if it's easier. Okay, might like remind you of an egg or something. And then his top eyelid going that way. Same on the other side. And he seems to have a strange eyelidy thing down here. Well, we can see the white of his eye actually, just a curve here. There is like a weird section here. I'm not sure if it's part of his eye or what. But it's kind of like that. And then the white on this side. So it's like another eyelid or something just there. His eyes are strange. Super creepy. And then so he's got like a silver circle, right, that comes around the eyeball. So like imagine a circle that goes the whole way around underneath. You could use something, say like round, say if it was the right size, you could trace around, of course, if you wanted to do that. That's perfectly fine. Do it over here as well. And then he's like two more circles inside, like green and then a pupil. That looks kind of white. So we'll do his green part, a green circle. And then the pupil, which is kind of black, but it has a white section in it as well. Okay, so you can leave that middle part white if you'd like. I think it is white usually. So his head shape comes around this way, coming out from the corner of his snout. It's real round then, so like out here. Goes all the way up to his ears. And his ears come out of his head, like they're connected in. So it kind of like dips down a bit in the middle here. Kind of like bends. And the same on this side. Kind of wavy. And then the top of his head comes over. Just looking at his eyes here again, actually, I think there's like a bit of a shadow just on the corner of his eyes. It's like a black section just here that I missed. Not all the time, but I think there is. Right, and then the ears. So they're kind of like coming, they flop down a little bit, it looks like. So go up like that, and the other side like so. And then this part of his ear is like flopped down, so it goes down and in, and he's got like an extra cushion portion like on the inside, so like it's kind of this, and then this is kind of got like an edge line just going around roughly. Maybe that one does as well. And then there's another like different colored pad inside here as well. And then the other ear, go up again. Don't close it off because you know the floppy part that comes over. So it's coming down. Around. Kind of disappears into the other little pad. Okay, and then there's the other section inside, just a rectangular sort of shape. And that's pretty much the top part of his head. So we'll do his jaw and his teeth. So his jaw comes down this way. Sometimes he has like a little pipe sticking out of his jaw as well. But I don't think he does in the movie, does he? No. He's kind of like withered in the new movie. Might do that one as well at some point. But we have teeth, so just these square kind of. And his bottom jaw. And then all the teeth along the bottom. Right, so he's got all pipes coming out of his neck, and he's got like a little ring that clips them together. So he's got this little sort of bar coming across, and then there's like pipes coming down there, and then they appear to go this way. And then his collar comes around like so. And then we have some stuff inside here. So then his shoulders kind of come down. They're kind of like part of his body, kind of goes down to his belly and his body down there. And he's got his bow tie. Sometimes it's black, sometimes it's purple. I'm not really sure what the official thing is. Just 2 bumps coming out here, kind of like love heart shapes. And then 2 buttons. And like a belly color, like a different sort of line for the belly. And then we do the arms. So the arms kind of have these shoulder pads on them, you know, covering sort of the metal parts that are underneath. And then the top part of the arm swirls around here and comes down. And then we have metal sort of joints just underneath. And we do the same on this side. Shoulder pad first. And then there's like these joints inside the top of this like cylinder like shape for his arm. So it's like a little tube. All going down that way. You could make him a bit dirty because he looks a bit not clean. Not completely withered, obviously. There's no holes in him and stuff yet. But that's it. Spring Bonnie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.